Alright guys, not going to say that. Right, so another video. It's been a while since we put one up. Hopefully the head gasket on mine, part 2 will be out. So that's mine in the back there, running all good. Paul's today, recently had an MOT, failed on a bit of welding. A big chunk of weld on the back in the arch. We're also going to try and fit this 52-inch light bar, as well as a stern dampener underneath, stern dampener strut underneath. Try and get as much as we can footage wise on this, and try and make it more talking and a bit of how to and that, because you know some of you there moaned about that. But I mean, we won't have much music as well as being loud. So
try and mime this one.
Yeah, we try and mime it. There's Phil's coming in now. See, Phil's obviously had a big change since So this is Phil's. Obviously, hasn't really been on the channel much. You see it loads on the Instagram, but he's pretty much got the new spotties on the front with the little bar. Obviously, the steering got the light guards, as well as the roof rack. So yeah, plenty done on this. The JBB there as well. So yeah, plenty done on this, and we will do a separate video on this. Get a proper video of it. Obviously, mine's the best. And back to Paul's. So like I say, yeah. So if you look, just I can't get a good shot of it, but you can see the right there, down there. You can see the floor underneath. Again, all that there is rusty, so new one. Cut this out and weld this, so we'll try and get as much footage as we can for you. So yeah, doing Paul's today, and then ready for the green lane. Ready for green lane on the 1st of August.
Fucking hell!
First, Phil's stripping down the wing now to get to the bust. I'll get the Pitbull's stern dampener. And he's got a terra firma, same as all of us, terra firma stern dampener. Looks clean for now, but so yeah, we're going to need to pop this on.
Nice ass.
Nice.
Stuck on. It's not nice. The silicone, that tag is.
Oh! Lad!
Cameraman.
That's a lot of silicone, that fucking hell.
Oh lad, that's a lot of silicone.
Too much distraction.
Yeah, see that? Yeah. It's bent the fucking thing, man. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh,
Empty back.
So as you can see, here's the hole that we're going to look at repairing. Took the wing off and actually looks worse than what we thought.
this one's off now. How with the old? In with the new.
You know it. Dickhead.
Right, it's a new stern dampener all fitted. Looking well. So
Guess the take the wing back off a minute. Right, there we have it. Car's done. I know we've missed loads. It ended up becoming a bit of a nightmare. So I ended up just basically just smashing it, trying to get out because the day was getting late. But if I just quickly show you. In there, obviously it's all done now, all welded and no holes, all under sealed and protected. So yeah, no holes, and Paul's Lanny lives another day. So you can see we've got them all here. So again, we've got Phil's here, which we will do a separate video on this one because we haven't really had a video on this one. But so there's that one. Obviously Paul's from today. So today we done the welding, also done the stern dampener under there. As you can see, we're all running the terra firma stern dampeners. So there's Paul's done, as well as he's got CB radio ready for August. And then obviously there's my one recently from his head gasket, which again the video will be finished off on that one, so you will have seen the head gasket was all done. So that's all we have it for today with all these, well, Paul's one mainly. So that's with it. Oh, sorry. So that's for someone behind me there. That's with it with all these videos. Oh, fuck's sake. So that's with it with today. With Paul's one today. So that's it really. So again, next video will be probably on the 1st of August when we're going away Green Lane. So there'll be a few of us, all these Lannys as well as a Volvo, and I think maybe one more, but not too sure. But again, see you in the next one. Ta-da.